network part of it. Again, very, very important. Your network is your net worth. Perfect. So obviously, with next examination now, people are keeping options open for both next and USMLE. So obviously, we just hope government does announce the policies and things for national exit test very soon. But obviously, until that happens, everything else we discuss might be speculation on the exit test. But one thing is very clear: the CBME curriculum is more of American medical education. So we're definitely hoping the national exit test will be almost a USMLE style, which is more focused on more clinical questions, competency-based questions. In fact, I do a session on correlation of next and USMLE. You should watch that as well. All right. So coming back to the fourth very, very important aspect of USMLE journey is your network. It is said that your network is net worth. Okay. Why it is important from USMLE perspective? Because I have seen USMLE is a lonely journey. I very regularly speak to the students. As I said, one-on-one we do with MOKSH students. So I spoke to one of the students in Northeast. I spoke to one of the students in interior of Maharashtra. I spoke to somebody in Kolkata, and feedback was that I am the only one in my batch preparing for USMLE, or I am the only one in. Especially a lot of new med schools have started. So in my med school, preparing for USMLE. So obviously it's a lonely journey. So it's very important you come to social media, connect with good people, and find a study partner. Okay. It's definitely nothing to do with peer pressure, but obviously if you have somebody who also has a similar study goal, and let's say you say, you know what, I'm targeting 100 MCQs. What about you? And your partner says, no, I'm targeting 125 or 200 MCQs per week. Obviously you would want to chase up, so it does help. So study partner becomes very important, whether in physical or in virtual, form, but you should have a study partner. Very, very important. Okay? Research buddies, it is always said, more you collaborate, more you share, or more you interact with people, it's going to help you in the long run. Okay? So I don't know why I've been visiting medical schools across India, and at times I do see some internal competition. People don't share their plans with their friends. I have noticed same set of friends are together in the practical lab, never talking about their career plans, but the evening they are together for USMLE counseling, and they're surprised. Morning we were together in the lab, but you never mentioned you are planning for USMLE, and evening you are here in such a seminar or a counseling session. So collaborate, interact, you will find your friends from your med school, otherwise around, who is interested or also planning to apply for USMLE, and together then it becomes two people looking for a collaborative opportunity of a research. Successful students I have seen, collaborating. A student A was in a med school in Bombay, student B was in a med school in Ahmedabad, collaborated, did a research with a faculty in a med school in Bombay, both got acknowledgement, third and a fourth co-author. Student B, who was in Ahmedabad, had an affiliation with a med school in the United States. Something else came up as a project, and then obviously the guy from Bombay got an opportunity. So what I'm trying to tell you is that always collaborate as far as possible. Do not consider your friend as a competitor, okay? Believe me, karma will make sure everybody has their fair share of achievements, okay? So find your study partners, find your research buddies. Very important. Rotation study. Identify clinical rotation opportunities, okay? It is always good. Let's say you're going for a rotation in New York or Chicago. If you have your friend along, it will always help you, okay? Maybe your friend sends application to 50 places, you send to another 50. Try collating a list and then start working on it. As long as it's a collaboration, it is a win-win environment for each one of you. Okay, so very, very important. Academic mentors, very important. Okay, at MOKSH, every student has their academic mentor. Very, very important. Okay, and there for overall profile mentorship, but academic mentors are there. you'll find such people, your study partners, your research, program directors, people who will give you rotations on LinkedIn, on social media. So start reaching out to them. Speciality mentors, very, very important. Let's say you are aspiring for a particular specialty. Let's say I'm aspiring for dermat. I need to find a dermatologist, practicing dermatologist, and take their advice. What's happening in the industry? What do I do? How do I proceed my career? Okay, very important. In fact, American College of OBGY offers this service. They match a mentor free of cost. So if you want to become an OBGY resident, you log into their website and you can identify a mentor and have an interaction with them. So while you have a buddy or an academic mentor talking about your exam preparation, you can always have senior people in your industry, in your specialization, to be your specialty mentors. It's an overall gist of people or efforts of people who will help you succeed in your. Okay, you'll find such people, your program directors, your the PGY residents, your mentors available on social media. So networking becomes highly, highly important. Okay, make sure you find each one of them, and help each other. Okay, very, very important.